Yeah, hello, dear parents, guardians, elder brothers, any form of person that is taking care of a younger one. It's a rare privilege to bring this video before you because it is one of the videos that will help to a large extent control and manage a serious issue that our present generation of kids are facing, and of course parents are having to deal with. As an IT person, I see the advantage of balancing the need for moral talks, moral awareness, passing moral awareness, as firmly and as lovingly as possible to our kids, with leveraging control measures that technology also makes available. All right. So that this topic, as you see on the screen displayed, is what this video wants to begin to help to solve, and it's on children and technology use. You would agree with me that a lot of things are happening in the background, whereas our children are engaging in some really not too proud activities behind our noses, and most times parents who are very busy may not have the time to really monitor them and do what needs to be done to ensure that they are utilizing the internet and technology in the proper way they should. And as an IT person, and with discussions I've had with wonderful IT personnel and educators and teachers, the goal is not necessarily to completely stop the secondary school students particularly from having these gadgets, because especially from where I come from, Nigeria, there's a huge need for industrialization. There's a huge need to improve the creative abilities, the critical thinking and curious abilities of our children, so that we can develop, honestly. And there's no way they can do this if they are not exposed to the right kind of information. So that I'm a firm believer on control, proper control, and this is part of why this video is being done. And that's why the goal, as you see on the screen, is to regulate and guide, not to ban devices. And are there apps or tools to do this? Yes, there are. Now, these apps have been proven to do a very good job in helping you to not just control the activities of your kids, but also be notified should there be any breach. So there are two major solutions we want to explore via these apps. The first one is to control what your kids are engaging with their phones. And the second one, which we'll look at later on, is to be notified of any breaches or be reported, like reporting. It's more like a reporting. First one is control, the other one is more like reporting certain activities. And for this first video, it's mainly going to apply to Android phones, but for those of you using Apple phones or iPhones, another video will be created to ensure that that set of users are also are also attended to.